Hello everyone, today I'm going to share some practical tips about LED strip lights. How should you choose between 12 volt and 24 volt LED strip lights? 12 volt LED strips have shorter cutting intervals, while 24 volt strips have longer cutting intervals. 12 volt LED strips are better suited for installation in aluminum channels or narrow home applications, as they can be cut and installed more easily. The downside is that once this type of strip exceeds 5 meters, you'll get voltage drop, resulting in one end being bright and the other end dim. A 24 volt LED strip can be connected in longer runs, but if it exceeds 10 meters, voltage drop will also occur. Those of us who work with home lighting and small home cabinet light strips really like to use 12 volt light strips because 12 volt strips are easy to cut and help reduce waste. The length used in each area is usually only 3 to 4 meters. Moreover, 12 volt light strips have lower power consumption and are generally more energy efficient than 24 volt ones. However, if you encounter situations where you need to install 5 to 10 meters of light strips, then you need to consider voltage drop and brightness issues, and in this case, you can choose 24 volt light strips. For places like cabinets, bathroom mirrors, and shoe cabinets, where the required light strip length is short and the brightness doesn't need to be high, we can choose 12 volt light strips. If you want to learn more tips about light strip lighting, please follow us. See you next time.